Hi, and welcome to our short video on how to make ripped ruffle strips for your dotty bloomers. Since we finished the long edges of the strips with a double zigzag stitch using a wing needle and a hem stitch, a torn edge looks a little bit nicer on these strips. A wing needle, also called a hemstitch needle, has flat, wing-like flanges on both sides of its shaft that push the fabric threads apart as you sew, leaving small decorative holes along the stitching line. It is used for heirloom-style hemstitching and works best on tightly woven natural fabrics such as linen or batiste. Use a decorative stitch to finish both edges of your strip. You would then continue with making your ruffle rings to attach to your bloomers. Have a look at the corresponding video on our YouTube channel.